ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 69 Make Table Query. A Make Table query selects data from one or more tables using all the features of a query and creates a new table from that data. Not all the fields from the original table or tables need to be included in the new table. A table is to be made containing all the unpaid invoices. So open the CIA database and start a new query in Design View and add the customer details and the orders tables to the query grid. Choose the Make Table Query option from the Query Type area of the Design tab, and when the dialog box appears, enter the table name as Unpaid Orders, and then click OK. From Customer Details, place the title, the first name, the surname, the company, and the telephone fields onto the grid. From the Orders table, place the order ref, the order date, and the paid fields onto the grid. Specify the criteria for paid as No. Uncheck the Show box for paid. This means that this field will not be included in the new records. OK, now let's run the query. Select Yes at the dialog box, and then save the query and name it Make Unpaid Orders Table. And then close it. Open the Unpaid Orders table to view the data. A table has been created to hold details of all orders which are currently unpaid. Close the table and open the Make Unpaid Orders Table query in Design View. The query is to be modified. Delete the first name from the query grid. Then save and run the query. There is a prompt that the existing table will be deleted. Click Yes, and then Yes again at the next prompt. A new table is created replacing the original. Close the query. Now let's view the Unpaid Orders table and notice that the first name field has been removed. OK, let's close the table, save the database, and that brings us to the end of Lesson 69. In the next lesson, we're going to discuss update queries. OK, I hope this is all making sense, and I look forward to seeing you next time.